Hey everyone! Welcome to AutoCAD Basics. Today, we're diving into the most essential drawing and editing commands you need to create and modify designs like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this video will help you master the tools to bring your ideas to life. Let's get started. Let's start with drawing commands, the building blocks of your designs. The line command draws straight lines. Type L, or line, click 2 points and hit enter. Perfect for walls, outlines, or connecting shapes. Next, circle. Shortcut C. Choose a center point and radius. Quick tip. You can type exact dimensions for precision, need a rectangle. Use rec or rectangle. Just pick 2 corners. AutoCAD does the rest. Now let's edit those shapes with powerhouse commands. To move objects, hit M. Select what you want, pick a base point, and place it anywhere. Need duplicates? CO for copy. It's like move but leaves the original intact. Rotate with RO. Select your object, choose a pivot point, and spin it to the perfect angle. Cleanup time. TR for trim cuts lines at intersections. Select the boundaries, then click what to remove. Opposite of trim, EX for extend lengthens lines to meet edges. Perfect for closing gaps. Finally, fillet with F adds smooth corners. Set a radius, select 2 lines, and voila, no sharp edges, and there you have it. With these 9 commands, you can create anything in AutoCAD. Practice them, combine them, and watch your designs come alive. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.